Some words can't wait. This one can't either. I am sorry. Sorry for what happened today. For all the things I did and said. The words that got in the way. I had to tell you sorry, just in case tomorrow is not promised. Because life can change in a moment and hearts can leave here unaccomplished. I'm sorry for the times I hurt you, even when I didn't mean to. For the silence that spoke too loudly and the love I didn't always show through. If I could take back those moments, I would rewrite every line, replace anger with understanding, and give you peace of mind. Because pride fades quickly when faced with what could be lost, and love is far too precious to be measured by its cost. So today I choose humility. I choose to make things right, to say the words that matter before they're lost to time's flight. I am sorry, truly, deeply, more than words can say, because if tomorrow never comes, I don't want regret to stay. So hear my heart in this moment. Let these words be honest and true. I am sorry, and I still choose you.